Omo guy, I don't dare here since so. I've been here.
So assuming say I don't come now. Now so I for the follow you they wait for their abi.
Hey, don't start. I told you to accompany me to my girlfriend's place. You're telling me you are stuck in traffic since 3 hours.
Guy, I will be there very soon. Just give me little time.
You better hurry up.
I don't hear you. Huh?
I'll be later.
Baby.
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting, okay?
Hey, but I've been here since now. You just kept me waiting for more than 2 hours.
I said I'm sorry now.
Yeah, it's fine. Where are your parents? Are they not coming to see me?
Actually, my mom is not around at the moment, but my dad will join us shortly.
Okay. Babe, I hope your dad will like me when he sees me.
Yes, he will. I already sent them your picture, and they said they like just exactly how you look.
Not bad. That's nice. I'm very sure you must have sent him that's your favorite picture of me that you love very well.
No, I didn't send that one.
Which one did you now send?
I sent the picture of both of us. That one that we took in the room.
I don't understand. I'm sure you are pulling my legs.
Why would I do such? I sent them the picture of both of us making out.
Jesus. Okay, let me just believe it's my ears that is paining me. Which one you send? Which of the picture you send?
You can relax. Why are you scared?
See, I'm not scared. I just want to know.
I sent them everything.
Everything? Including the one that we...
Yes.
When we the knack? Jesus!
Emeka, I don't hide anything from my family. I don't. As I'm even telling you now, we have a family WhatsApp group where we post everything that is happening in our relationship.
Wait, let me understand. I thought we were talking about your dad. So who are these people in this WhatsApp group?
My family members, of course. My father, my mother, my siblings, my father's parents, my mother's parents, our village king, and all our elders are in that group chat.
So you mean you sent our pictures in your family WhatsApp group chat?
Yes.
Miriam! Miriam!
What?
Why?
Why what now? It's our tradition.
Make her relax. Make her calm. Okay. Babe, who are all these guys?
Those are my exes.
Your exes? So what is that picture doing in your house?
Actually, it's my dad's idea. He just likes to keep it there as a means of remembrance.
Remembrance of what exactly?
My father likes keeping track record of those men that nearly made an attempt to cheat on me in the past.
Made an attempt. And it's not as if they cheated though.
It's the same thing now. The last guy that made an attempt to cheat on me in the past, he was caught giving a lady direction from his car.
Ordinary direction?
Shh. There's no such thing as ordinary. Better don't let my father hear you.
So all these are your exes?
Yes, now. The pictures are not even complete. I think there's about 47 of them.
47? You mean you've dated 47 guys before me?
Baby, it's nothing serious, I promise. See, my past does not matter at all.
It matters, oh. It does matter. After they don't go war the place where I enter, tell me it doesn't matter. It does. So where are all your exes?
They're all dead. My father doesn't like it when I'm in pains. So they're all dead.
Oh, wow. Your dad must be very brave.
I know, right?
Which kind while I don't put myself like this. Good afternoon, sir.
What's that your name again?
Emeka.
Oh, Emeka.
Yes, sir.
Wow, sit down.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Aha. Emeka,
Sir?
do you know why I like you?
No, sir.
It's because you are from the East. See, I don't want my daughter to marry from my tribe. See, this marriage will unify all of us. After all, we are all Nigerians.
That's true, sir.
Good. Do you love my daughter?
Sir, love is an understatement. I am madly in love with your daughter.
Oh, that's good. You see, in my family, when we are giving out our daughter in marriage, we give half of our properties to the man so that he can take care of our daughter.
Sir, I'm not after the property. I'm not after the money. I genuinely love your daughter and I want to take her home along with me, sir.
You see, over there is a token of 5 million naira. So I would like you to take it as your transportation back home so that in our next meeting, you can come with your family for the marriage proper.
Thank you very much, sir.
Get up,
Thank
get
you,
up,
sir.
get up, get up.
Thank you.
Get up, my son. Hope you told him about the 3 steps. Cool?
3 steps? What 3 steps is that talking about?
Just relax, calm down. Everything will be fine.
At least tell me the 3 steps. Let me know what and how to handle it now.
Why are you behaving like a child in front of my father? Are you not a man?
I'm not a man.
Mohammed, bring the drink. Hey, give him the drink. You see, this is a special drink, specially prepared for you by us. It's for us to know if you'll be able to take care of our daughter in any bad situation you find yourself.
Okay, sir.
Drink.
Sir, it's sweet.
Very sweet.
Yeah, very sweet, sir.
I'm glad you love it.
I like it.
Well, all thanks to Abulu for the drink.
Sir, that's thoughtful of Abulu.
Before I forget, you will be the one that will be in charge of cooking during your wedding with my daughter.
Sir?
Yes, I know you can't wait to eat from his delicacies.
Yes, sir. I honestly can't wait to eat his food, sir.
Good, good. Number 2, we want to know if you'll be able to take the heat from your wife when you eventually marry her.
Heat? What kind of heat are you talking about, sir?
Mohammed, bring the koboko. Lie on the table.
Me?
Yes. Don't worry. It's just few strokes of the cane and I know you are a strong man. He's a strong man.
Well, at least you would have told me now. Eh?
Dad, I told you that he's a strong man. Sorry, dear. Sorry.
At least you would have told me so that I would prepare for this moment. Eh?
Sorry, I forgot.
At least wear 5 sweaters, 2 raincoats, and even 2 winter jackets.
I'm sorry, I forgot.
I want to work out go house now.
Don't cry.
To my back, to my nyash, they pay me. It connects, they pay me.
So, okay, wipe your tears.
Emeka,
Sir.
you are a strong man.
Thank you, sir.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
The third step is, you see the insecurity in our country. A lot of terrible things have happened in the past, and even now. So we want to be sure that we'll be able to take care of our daughter and take her to safety if anything bad happens to you.
Any bad thing? Bad thing like what, sir?
Mohammed, bring the gun.
Sir, please, what are we doing with gun? Yeah?
You see, Emeka, in case you are attacked and in pain, we want to be sure that you'll be able to rescue our daughter and your children to safety.
Sir, please, let us forget about all these guns. Let's forget about everything. Eh? Sir, I will employ security that will guide me and your daughter.
Hey.
Alhaji, Senu.
Cool. Emeka, you see that man? He's the husband of my first daughter. He's even a military man. He was attacked and shot in his leg. See, even in that pain, he was able to rescue my daughter and the children to safety. So I'm sure you two can do it because you're a strong man.
Sir, I am not a strong man. I can't even recall in our conversation where I told you that I'm a strong man. So I'm not a strong man, no. I'm not strong, no. I'm not a strong man, no.
Why are you behaving like this now?
When would I behave like that? Eh?
Why are you showing weakness in front of my father? He doesn't like it. Please now. True. Please.
Sir, please, I don't want to marry your daughter again. Yes, sir, I'm a bad person. I'm a bad man. I'm brutal. Sir, I will beat her and I will maltreat her. That the next time you see her, you might not recognize her again. You should go for someone else, please.
Daddy, this kind of man I really like.
You are.
Someone that will beat me when I'm at fault. He correct me.
Exactly. My daughter, I agree with you. He's the perfect man for you.
Sir, thank you so much for everything, sir. I genuinely appreciate it. Miriam, I'm sorry I won't be able to proceed with this. I beg to take my leave.
Get hold of yourself, man. It's just a gun. Man up! Mohammed.
Sir.
Shoot his hand and his leg.
Wait.
Babe?
Babe?
What's going on here? I've been calling you all day and you're not taking calls.
Do you know my elder sister?
Zainab.
Yes, Daddy.
Do you know him?
Of course, Daddy. He's my boyfriend.
Boyfriend?
Yes! I would have posted him on our family WhatsApp group, but I just wanted Daddy to meet him in person first. Moreover, babe, how did you know my house? What are you doing here? Babe, say something. What's going on?
Yes, babe, say something.
Look at this boy, you. So, you are chopping my 2 daughters. One light, that broom baka. You! I'll finish you today.
Sir, I can explain
Explain what?
how I chopped your 2 daughters.
Huh?